So today we are going to this Foodies festival. That is one of the biggest food festival in the UK. So apparently it's much more than just a street food festival. There is even gourmet food. There are the finalists from MasterChef UK, Michelin starred chefs, the British Bake Off stars as well, and they give some classes, but they are not for free. So they are not included in the main ticket. You have to purchase the extra ticket to attend this.
Are you taking any MasterChef tips?
I don't care. I mean, no, I don't care. Sorry, I would care, but I don't need. I'm already a master chef.
Ganta.
But yeah, it's not just food. It's even live music. And, I didn't know. Surbhi just told me yesterday they were the Blue, the Blue band from the boy band from the beginning of 2000.
Yeah.
They were so famous, and I told Surbhi, and who are they? And she didn't care. And then we played One Love, that I think it's their main, and she said, oh, I know them. Thanks. I we didn't go yesterday.
But yesterday it was a really bad weather, so it's...
We are going just because Surbhi managed to get the ticket for free. Because otherwise it was 24 pounds. Yeah. Ciao Surbhi. What are you doing?
Oh,
You're measuring plant stuff.
you tell me what I'm doing. You should know these things.
You're measuring the growth of peas.
Go, I'm very hungry.
You're hungry?
I'm hungry now.
Oh, eat your peas. Look at this. So many peas. We can make pasta with peas.
Always pasta. Everything has to be on pasta.
How do you eat peas?
Matar paneer, aloo matar.
Oh no, peas they were invented for pasta.
Let me finish. Go on.
Such a sophisticated instrument. Look there. High tech. So she told me to go away, but just to work. It's late. See? Here she is. Surbhi's shape. Playing with peas. So we are back, but this time we are going to collect tomatoes. Here is Surbhi though. She's not working on tomatoes. She's working on an Indian plant. Fenugreek. What's the name?
Yeah, fenugreek.
What's the name?
I think it's called methi.
Methi.
Yes.
We will ask someone to confirm. Otherwise, shame on you. Also, we have tomatoes here. We can collect them for having a salad later at home. There are also cherry tomatoes over there. We can take a plant later.
Okay. You cannot take anything from here. It's not allowed.
Why
You
not?
can't even eat them. They're transgenics.
They are transgenic. So they are tastier or not?
I don't know. We cannot eat. We cannot tell.
Basically, it's a useless work. Working on plants that they cannot be eaten. So why do you do that? And here instead is, I don't know what.
Beans.
Beans. These are
It's
beans.
my parents. Beans.
Oh, so we also work on beans, not just peas. You can make a lot of pasta. Pasta with peas, pasta with beans.
You know, think about pasta.
Pasta with methi.
Pasta with methi.
Again, sophisticated equipment.
Dario, you're disturbing me. You're finally off?
Yeah, after I worked so much.
Yeah, it took longer than we expected. But no, it's good that we are more hungry. We'll eat more.
Yeah, sure.
burgers. So creative, so creative.
You're right. It looks very nice. It looks, like that those kind of countryside fairies. That's very nice. Nice vibes. No, I really like it. Very good.
I asked him to eat first, but then he wants to have both things together, and now he cannot multitask.
Pickles?
Yes, please.
Some nice hummus for you.
Yogurt and mint and chili.
Yogurt and mint and chili.
Yes, please. So I took all the types of spicy sauces, and I took 2 spoons. But I know this will put Dario's ass on fire.
Oh, thanks. It's for me.
Are you sure?
Is it that?
No, it's chicken.
So it's spicy.
Yes.
Going to try the Italian bun, the arancini. Try arancini. And cannoli. The Tozzi Tozzi car?
Totsi Totsi?
Yeah, Tozzi Tozzi.
Totsi Totsi ka?
Yeah, the Tozzi Tozzi machine cars, yes. How do you go?
I don't know what to call them.
Tozzi Tozzi car.
Totsi Totsi. It's funny. Okay. No, I don't want to do Totsi Totsi ka.
No,
Try
you just have to crash into other people.
Yeah, I don't like it. I just ate. Why do I want to crash and
So that
spin
you
around?
learn what you shouldn't do in the real life.
Daddy, what is that?
Dumplings.
Momos. You have to say momo.
Momo. Momo?
It's momo.
You are eating momo?
I eat momo.
So cruel. So much spicy. No, she doesn't like. Look at that. She disappointed. What happened there?
There's vegetables in there. Corn.
There is some chicken.
It's a momo.
Disappointed. So disappointed.
What's the problem?
It's spicy.
It's not spicy. It's zero spicy. It's very sweet, in fact.
It's spicy. I have to drink now. It was very spicy. Liar. I was choking. It was too spicy.
It's zero spicy, Daddy.
Indian trick. She was trying to kill me with Chinese spice. Sorry. Alternative spice.
These momos, they were a bit of a disappointment because they were not spicy and they had sweet corn and peas in them. Who put sweet corn and pea in momos?
I ate one and it was spicy. So I got all the spice.
So it's not spicy, just oily.
It was a nice experience. I think it's kind of well done, but food is not the best that you can find for each cuisine, and it's very expensive.
Yeah.
It's almost double price what you can pay outside.
Yeah. But I think you pay for the ambience, all the
Yeah.
other things. So why?
They are still playing there, but we are going home. Why, Surbhi?
It's time to go home.
Because you have to watch Dragon Ball.
Mamina? Mamina? Hey, my baby.
And now, Mommy, no. Mommy wants to eat you. She wants more mama.
I cannot stand up.
Oh.
I have pain in my legs.
Because yes, she's leg training.
Yeah, I am.
Oh, blah.
I'm a grandma. I'm a grandma.
And here is the end of the day. How was your day, Surbhi?
This is the best part of the end of the day. He's purring. He's making his biscuits. He's loving his mommy. You know, now I think about it, there was no Indian food there. It's a foodies festival. And Indian food is like one of the best cuisines. There's no Indian food.
Bye.
Bye.
Good sunset. The sunset and the Dario rise.
What was that? Do it again.
The sunset and the Dario rise.
Don't tell him I ate momos.